Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I will show you guys how to use Redmi mobile navigation setting, how to set navigation setting, how to set gesture settings, button navigation setting, how to use one by one. We will talk about one by one, step by step friends. We will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to use navigation setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So when scroll down here, how to use cache settings, how to use navigation setting. First of all, open your phone home screen setting. Home screen style you want to change, you can change. System navigation setting you want to use, so friends click here, you can use your system navigation setting. So friends, button navigation and gesture navigation you can use in your Redmi mobile. Friends, click here gesture settings. First of all, how to use gesture setting. Friends, you don't know how to use gesture setting, you can learn about here how to use gesture setting. You can take trial. Click here right side, run option, and again click here. How to go to home screen. As you can see, go to home screen, swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. Nice. Open recent tab, pause here, swipe from the bottom and pause here. You can check your recent app. Left side if you swipe and right side if you swipe. So friends, you can use back button. Left side swipe, right side swipe. You can use Redmi mobile gesture setting. Friends, you can see one more time. I am done. Click here, I am done. Now friends, I will show you how to use. Right side swipe, use back button. Left side swipe, use back button. Go to home screen, swipe here. Recent app, you want to check your recent app. Pause here, you can check recent app, you can close your recent app, and you can open your recent app. Friends, again open your phone home screen setting, system navigation. Now friends, you want to set your button navigation. Friends, you can see we don't have 3 button navigation on screen, and you want to show your 3 button navigation. So friends, click here 3 button navigation setting, and you can use your 3 button navigation in Redmi: back button, home button, and menu button. Friends, if you turn off your mirror button setting, your button layout will change. I have back button right side, you want to use back button from left side, so you can change your button layout style. Friends, click here, mirror button off, back button and menu button will change. Again, if you click here, so you can use back button from right side. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. How you friends understood how to use system navigation setting and how to use button and gesture navigation setting in Redmi mobile. Bye.